In today's class, we will discuss some maths problems. Okay. And also, see, I have not started the any topic. Okay. I have taken some random questions. In coming days, I will start that one also. Okay. We will start the chapter, new chapter. Okay. For now, I have taken some problems, random problems. Yeah. First question. What is the difference between 7 hours 25 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes? Try to understand. You need to find out the difference. Difference means you need to subtract, no? So what is the meaning of difference means subtract? Okay. Subtract and tell me the answer for this. See here, one more thing. One more thing. See here, stop sending. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಧ್ರುವ, ನಿನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಿ, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಕಳ್ಸೋದು. Simply you are sending the answers, rubbish answers means I will remove you from the class. This is the warning and I am very serious. Tej Kiran, right? ಧ್ರುವ, ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಚಿಂತನ ರೈಟ್, ರೋಹಿಣಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕೀರ್ತಿಲತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಚಿಂತನ ರೈಟ್, ವಿಶಾಲ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಮನಾನೋ, ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರೈಟ್, Naomi wrong answer, Arshit Kumar, Vishruta right, Anaga MS wrong, Saujanya wrong, Milind right answer, Yuvraj wrong, Sadhvi Patil wrong, Mithun right, Nishchit right, Amsa right, Kaushik right answer, Maulya D right, Kruti wrong, Neha Nibish right, Aisiri right answer, Shashank BR wrong, Samanvita right, Harichandan right, Rachna wrong, Ullas right, Kushal M wrong, Kruti wrong, Tanmay SH right, Saujanya Bhuvanchandra right, wrong, Yashas right, Bhuvanchandra wrong, Gagan right, Yashas right, Kruti no, simply you are sending Kruti. Yuvraj wrong answer, Kishan D right, Ganvi JM right answer, very good. Manoj wrong, Dhruva right, Akrut right, Bhuvanchandra you also, simply you are sending Jaideep no, Prithvika right, Ganvi R wrong, Kirtana wrong, Vaibhava Lakshmi wrong answer, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Saujanya right. Okay, see here, I'll solve this one. How to find out difference? See here, stop writing. See here. What is the difference? How to calculate the difference? ರೋಹಿಣಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಓಕೆ. See, understood this one? Okay, Tej Kiran. Okay, I corrected that one. Neha, yes. Clear? See, we have taken 1 hour borrow there. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, so if you add means it will become 85. See, what we did here means we did 60 plus 25. See, we got 85 here. Okay. Yeah, Vishal, what is the doubt?
ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ.
See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 hours ಇದೆ, 3 hours ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ 25 minutes, 45 minutes. We need to subtract. See, 25 is smaller. Okay. 25 small ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಪಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ 7 hours ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ಸ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 hour ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ 1 hour ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ? 1 hour ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 60 minutes. ಓಕೆ, ಆ 60 minutes ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, 60 minutes ತಗೊಂಬಂದಾಗ ಸಿ 60 minutes ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 25 ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
85 minutes ಸರ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಇವಾಗ 85 ಅನ್ನೋದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, 45 ಗಿನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ 85, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Ganavi R. Yeah, Ganavi R.
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. There is a problem in mic. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, you are having any doubts here? Understood or not?
Sir, I didn't understand. Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay, what you didn't understand here?
I don't know how to solve this problem.
See, they are given 7 hours 25 minutes. Okay, first one. And next they are given 3 hours 45 minutes. We need to subtract. Why? Because he is asking what is the difference. Okay, so difference means subtract. We need to subtract, okay, these two times. That is 7 hours 25 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. See, I have taken here. Okay, 7 hours 25 minutes and 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, we need to subtract one by one. Means we need to subtract minutes and minutes, and we need to subtract hours and hours. Clear? Yeah. See, coming to here, this 25, compare this with 45. Okay. See, the upper number is smaller. 25 is smaller and 45 is bigger. Okay. In that case, we can't subtract, no? Okay. Yeah. So what we will do means we will take borrow. Okay, from the hours. What we are taking means here we are taking 1 hour borrow from 7 hour. So if you take 1 hour borrow here means, say it will become 6 hours. And here we are taking 1 hour borrow means, what do you mean by 1 hour? 1 hour means that is 60 minutes. Okay. See, we are taking 60 minutes borrow. If you have taken 60 minutes borrow means 60 plus 25, that is 85 minutes. That is what we have taken here. Clear? Now we can subtract easily. Why? Because 85 is bigger and 45 is smaller.
Oh,
Clear? Yeah, it is normal subtraction. See, suppose if it is like this. Suppose take 22 and 16. How you are going to subtract? See, 2 is smaller, 6 is bigger. What you will do?
we borrow from the 2.
Yeah, very good. So if you borrow means this one will become how much?
12.
Yeah, so here remaining?
1.
Yeah, 12 minus 6 is how much?
12 minus 6 is 6.
Yeah, 1 minus 1 is?
1.
Hey,
0.
1 minus 1 is 0. See, we got 6 here. Same thing we are doing here. Same subtraction we are doing. Clear? Instead of taking 1 year, we are taken 60 minutes. That's it. Why? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think you need to improve your maths. You are weak in maths, I think. Okay. Ganavi. Yeah. So we'll move on to next one. Be ready. Second question. So I will explain the problem. Sudha works 6 hours 30 minutes each day. See, she is working every day 6 hours 30 minutes. How long will she work over 5 days? See, suppose, think if she works for 5 days. Okay. See how many hours and minutes she is working, you need to find out. For 5 days. Getting? They are given for 1 day, you need to find out for 5 days. Harichandan right, Neha right, Karthik Sagar wrong, Dhruva right, Kirtan wrong, Likit wrong, Anaga MS, Jeevan Nayak right, Kushales Gowda. See, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೋಹಿಣಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ವಿಶ್ರುತ ರೈಟ್, ಧೀರಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಈಶಾಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕೀರ್ತಿಲತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಗಗನ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ ರಾಂಗ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ರಾಂಗ್, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕುಶಾಲಂ ರಾಂಗ್, ಅನಾಗ MS ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, Manoj wrong, Jaideep right answer, Amsa right, Mana wrong, Tarun wrong, Sumadura wrong, Savita Kaushik wrong, Tanmay SH wrong, Sumadura wrong, Nischit Mana wrong, Shalini right, Ishash right, Bhuvan Chandra right, Ishash right, Kirtan right, Roshni wrong, Kushalam wrong, Kruti wrong, Shashank wrong, Ganvi JM right, Maiz wrong answer, Prithvika wrong answer, Purvik wrong answer, Suraj right, Dhiran right, Aditya M right. Sheetal wrong, Mana wrong, Karthik Sagar right, Aditya M right, Purvik right, Chandana right, Aditya M right, Purvik right, Saujanya wrong, Arshit Kumar wrong, Vaibhav Lakshmi wrong, Jyoti Priya right answer, Likit right, Ishash right. Okay, Tej Kiran wrong answer, Ishash right, Sadhvi Patil wrong, Milind right, Chintana right, Kushal M right, Aisiri right, Yuvraj right, Mithun Vishal wrong, Himavarsha right, Rishi, right answer. Tej Kiran, no. See here. Yeah, Rishi, right. Shashank, we are right. Tanmay says right. Kruti, wrong. Saujanya, wrong. See here, I will solve this one. Stop sending. I will solve this one. See here. Sheetal. Yeah.
Sir, I am not listening, sir.
You are not listening now?
No, sir. When you are talking this question, sir.
No, mic is on only. Okay. Problem is from your side, I think. Okay. Maybe network issues, I
Okay,
think.
sir. Sir, yesterday when we are doing online class at night, that was disconnecting and asking 5-digit code, sir.
5-digit code.
Yes, sir. Give 5-digit code and enter the Zoom.
Don't know what is the problem there. Actually, 4-digit code is there. I don't know which one is 5-digit. Okay. See, sometimes what happens means here, if you don't have enough internet data pack, okay, that is also a problem. Okay. See, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೇಟಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೇಟಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 2 GB, minimum 1 GB you should have. Clear for the class. Yeah. See here, I will solve this one. Sudha works 6 hours 30 minutes each day. How long will she work over 5 days? See, take 6 hours 30 minutes is there, no? First I will take hours. 6 hours. This is for 1 day. So we need to calculate for 5 days. Means 6 into 5. How much? 30 hours. Next. Okay. We need to take for 30 minutes. See, this is 30 minutes is for 1 day. We need to calculate it for 5 days. That is 30 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. That is 150 minutes. Now, okay, see there is no option for 30 hours and 150 minutes, no? Okay, there is an option, but it is 30 hours, 30 minutes. But we have got 30 hours, 150 minutes. Try to understand this one. See, we got 30 hours, 150 minutes. But we don't have any options, right? That's why what we need to do means convert this minutes to hours. Try to understand. Minutes to hours means how to convert this one means see 150 minutes means I will take this one as 60 minutes. This one 60 minutes. 60 how much? 120. Remaining how much? 30 minutes. Got it? See, I am dividing 150 into 60, 60, 30. Clear? If you add all these, you will get 150 minutes. Now, 60 minutes means what? This is 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. And this 30 minutes I will take as it is. Now, total how many hours here? 2 hours, no? 2 hour, 30 minutes we got. 150 minutes is nothing but 2 hours, 30 minutes. Now add with 30 hours. Clear? 30 hours is there initially. And add this 2 hours and 30 minutes. So you will get 32 hours and here 30 minutes will be there. Option C is the answer. Understood? See, logic is convert this 150 minutes. That is very important. Okay? 150 minutes anna 2 hours 30 minutes ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿ 150 divided like this 60 60 30. Why you divided like this means 60 minutes is 1 hour. This is 1 hour and this is 1 hour and remaining 30 minutes. So total 2 hours 30 minutes we got. And in the left side, see we are having 30 hours here. Add with that 30 hours plus 2 hours 30 minutes. We got 32 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah, so I will move on to next one. Third question. See, they are given the starting time and ending time. You need to find out the duration. Starting time is 11:30 a.m. they are given. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ starting time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ending time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so you need to find out the duration. See, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು hours ಇದೆ ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ right, ರೋಹಿತ್ right, ಚಿಂತನ right, ಕುಶಾಲೇಶ್ ಗೌಡ right, ಧ್ರುವ ಜೀವನ್ ನಾಯಕ್ right, ಲೋಹಿತ್ right, ಕುಶಾಲಂ right, ನೇಹಾ ನಿಬೇಶ್ right, ಮಿಥುನ್ wrong, ಐಸಿರಿ wrong, ಕೀರ್ತಿಲತಾ right, ಕೃತಿ wrong, Suraj right, Tanmay SH right, Likit right. Ishak wrong. Bhuvan Chandra right. Bhuvan Chandra, no. Roshni right, Rohini right, Tarun right, Prithvika right. Ullas wrong, Kruti right. Himavar Shah, no, wrong. Ishak right answer, Nidhi right. Ganvi R right. Danvita right, Mithun right. Naomi wrong. Maulyadi right. Maulyadi wrong. Tej Kiran right, Dheeraj right, Akrut right. Amsa wrong, Tej Kiran right, Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Aditya Yam wrong answer. Aisiri wrong. Sumadura right. Anaga MS wrong. Vishruta right. Chandana right. Vaibha Lakshmi right. Rishi right answer. Ganvi JM wrong. Rishi right. Sadhvi Patil wrong. Chitra wrong. Mana wrong. Aditya AM right. Amsa right. Surya wrong. Jaideep wrong answer. Shashank Bihar wrong answer. Kishan wrong answer. Purvik wrong answer. See here. I'll solve this one. Mais right answer. Haripriya no. Samanvita right. See. Yeah, stop sending. Bhuvan Chandra right. Aditya right. See here. See, just write the timeline here. That is the best solution. See, we start with 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. means that is morning. Try to understand this one. 11:30 a.m. means that is morning. Okay. See, take 11:30 to 12:30 a.m. That is 1 hour. 12:30, sorry, not a.m. This is p.m. Madhyana agirutte, okay. 12:30 p.m. Next, see, this is afternoon, 1:30 p.m. 12:30 to 1:30, that is 1 hour. You need to remember this one. See here. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Suppose think 11:15 a.m. is there and 12:15 a.m. Sorry, 12:15 p.m. 11:15 to 12:15, that is 1 hour. It will be like this only. Take any minutes. Okay, differences will be 1 hour only. 12:30 to 1:30, 1 hour. Next 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. That is 1 hour. 2:30 to 3:30, 1 hour. Last 3:30 to, see what is the ending time they are given? 4:30. Now count how many hours are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5 hours. Understood? Very direct question. Shall I move on to next one? Ready? Okay. Yeah. So this one is, see, I will ask individually this one. Kirtana. Dheeraj.
No idea.
No idea.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Ganavi. Okay. Mana.
Sir.
Yeah, what is the answer?
Sir, B.
B. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, right answer. Okay. 9:30 means that is 9:30 a.m. See, past ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದಿರೋದು already over. Try to understand. Okay. 9:30 means, see, already over. 9:30 means 30 minutes over. Okay, that is the meaning of 9:30. And they are asking mornings here. Observe this one. Morning means AM will come or PM will come. AM will come. Don't write option C. Okay. 9:30 means that is 30 minutes over already. That's why we are writing 9:30 a.m. This is the answer. Okay. See, suppose if they give like this 20 minutes past 9. What is the answer? That is 9:20. If it is morning, you can write AM. Understood? See, past means, remember, it is already over. Yeah. So I'll move on to next one. Yeah, see, this one takes time. This is not an easy one, I think. Kushal is Gowda, right? Dhruva, right? Harichandan, right? Jeevan Nayak, right? Kirti Lata, right? Kirti, okay, Kirti, right? Roshni, wrong. Kruti, wrong answer. Ishak, wrong. Simply don't send the answers, okay? If you don't know, just keep quiet. Aishiri, wrong. Chintana, right answer. Haripriya, right? Yuvraj, right? Kaushik, wrong. Chintana, right? Yuvraj, right? Imarsha, wrong. See, if you don't know, please don't send. Rohit, you also. Wrong answer. Neha, right? Nishchit, right? Kirtan, right? Shalini, wrong. Jaideep, right? Mana, right? Vishruta, send me once again. Aditya AM, right? Prithvika, right? Aditya AM, right? Chumanna, wrong answer. Vishruta, right? Danmita, right answer. Tej Kiran, right? Shalini, wrong. Sumadura, right? Amsa, right? Yashas, right? Yashas K, right? Rohini, right? Rishi, right? Purvik, wrong. Nidhi, right? Vishal Kiran Gowda, right? Rishi, right? Ishak, right? Ganvi, JM, no, wrong. Manoj, right? Okay, see here. Stop sending. Mithun, right? Suraj, right? Yeah. See here, see here. Stop sending. How to solve this one? A football game began at 10:40 a.m. See, the game starts at 10:40 a.m., 10:45 a.m. It lasted for 2 hours 35 minutes. See, football game is to okay. See, they played for 2 hours and 35 minutes. Okay. So we need to add that one. See, this is hour and this is minutes. We need to take 35 minutes here. Okay. At what time did the game ended? See, they are given the starting time. Okay, and they are given the duration. Now we need to find out the end time. Add this one. Okay. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. And here, 10 plus 2, that is 12. See, we got 12:80. Okay, means 12 hours, 80 minutes. But here, there is no option, right? 12 hours, 80 minutes. So, convert this 12 hours, 12:80. Okay. This 12:80 is there, no? Convert this 80 minutes. Okay. Into hours. How to convert means take this one 60 minute and remaining. See, if you add 20, 60 plus 20 is 80, no? Now, convert this 60 minutes to hours. 60 minutes means how many hours? 1 hour. This one is 20 minutes. Okay, understood? 80 minutes we can write like this. 1 hour, 20 minutes. 12 is there. Take this 1 hour, 20 minutes and add it. That is 13 hours, 20 minutes. Understood? See, try to understand this one. 12 hours, 80 minutes is equal to, that is equal to 30 hours, 20 minutes. Clear? See, 12 hours, 80 minutes andro onde, 13 hours, 20 minutes andro onde. Okay? See, answer is option D. 13 hours 20 minutes. This is the adjustment. Okay, we are making the adjustment here. This is very important. 80 minutes ಅನ್ನ 1 hour 20 minutes ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Understood? Better we'll move on to this one. See, solve this one. A game show that lasted 3 hours 15 minutes and ended at 10 p.m. When did the show start? See, I will explain this one. See, what he is asking means he is asking starting time. Okay. And see, they are given the ending time. Ending time is 10 p.m. See, 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay. See, game ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ? 3 hours 15 minutes ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. At what time they have started? Try to understand. They are given the end time. We need to find out start time. Okay. And they are given the duration. See, this is duration. Three hours 15 minutes. Lohit right, Rishi right, Tej Kiran right, Jeevan Nayak right, Nishchit wrong, Shalini wrong, Yuvraj right, Chumanna wrong, Kirtilata right, Aishri right, Vishruta right, Nidhi right, Harichandan right, Dheeraj right, Rohini right answer, Hamsa right, Sumadura okay. Simply don't send, okay. If you know only send. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ ರೈಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ. ಗಾನ್ವಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಗಾನ್ವಿ ಜೆ ಎಂ ರಾಂಗ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಚಿಂತನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ರೈಟ್, ಮನಾ ರೈಟ್, ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪೂರ್ವಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ ರೈಟ್, ಸೌಜನ್ಯ ರೈಟ್, Jaideep right answer, Chandana right, Likit right, Roshni wrong, Kruti wrong, Tarun right answer, Karthik Saga right, Mithun right. Others are wrong. Simply don't send. Purvik, Roshni wrong, Purvik wrong, SSK wrong, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Chintana now it is right. SS right. Aditya M right. Prithvika wrong. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Imar Shah wrong. Chiranjeevi wrong. Ullas right. Prithvika right. Okay. Can anyone explain? Manoj right. 4-week, right? Ganvi, okay, wait. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವನಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಂತನ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದೊಂದು ಇಬ್ರು ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಂದನ. ಯಾ, ಎನಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ?
Answer is yes, sir. 6:45
Hmm.
6:45 p.m.
So how you got 6:45 p.m.?
Sir, we have to minus.
Sorry?
Minus, sir. 3 hours 15 minutes and 10 p.m.
Okay, so we need to subtract. Yeah, see 10 p.m. they are given. We need to subtract 3 hours 15. Okay. Yeah. Next. How you subtracted?
How you subtracted ante?
Sir, we have to borrow.
Yeah, so borrow. What we need to borrow here?
60.
See, 1 hour we need to borrow here. Okay.
60 minutes.
See, try to understand 10 is hours. Okay, we are taking 1 hour here. We are borrowing 1 hour. What is the meaning of 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes, no?
60 minutes.
Okay, so it will become 10. We have already taken 1 hour from 10, no? It will become 9 here. Clear? And here, coming to the minutes, okay, we have taken 60. 1 hour means nothing but 60 minutes. Is that clear? This one clear? Chandana, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, now 9 hours 60 minutes we got, and take this one as it is. That is 3 hours 15. Now do the subtraction. 60 is bigger and 15 is smaller. Now we can subtract. Okay. So how to subtract means 0 and 5. 0 is small. Okay. So take one borrow here. It will become
10.
10, and here it will become
5.
5. 10 minus 5 is how much?
5.
5 minus 1 is?
4.
Yeah. See, now 9 is there, 3 is there. 9 minus 3?
9 minus 3 is 6, sir.
Clear? 6:45. We got 6:45. So which is the option?
A.
Yeah. See, 6:45 is the starting time. So match ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 6:45 p.m. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 10 p.m. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು? 3 hours 15 minutes ಆಡ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yeah. See, practice this one, okay? Do the practice of this one. See, subtraction, especially when you are subtracting the time. That is very important. Subtracting and adding. You need to make the adjustments. Clear? See, I will stop here. ಧ್ರುವ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್? ಏನೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾ ಧ್ರುವ?
ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ನಾನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಕೇಳ.
ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ಗಣಪತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲು ಸರ್?
ಏನ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ,
ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಣಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲು?
ಯಾರು
ಮೇಲು
ಮೇಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಸರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಓಕೆ
ಮೇಲು.
ಸರಿ, ನಾನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಪ ಗ್ರೇಟಾ ನೀವು ಅಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೇಟಾ? ಹಾ, ನನಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಓಕೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನನಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ. ಹ ಓಲಿ, ಹೇಳ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳು.
ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ.
ಓ, ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ಹಂಗಾರ ತೆಗದೆ ನೀನು.
ಅಮ್ಮ ತೆಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಮ್ಮನ
ಹಾ,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೇಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ರುವ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ನೀವ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಓದಿತಾರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಓದ್ಸೋದ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿನೇ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಧ್ರುವ? ಯಾರು ಒದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವ್ರ ದೂರನೇ ಇಡೋದು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಿಂದ ಅದೇನಾ? ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸೇಮಾ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೊಡಿತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಮುಂದೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೀವು, ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಂದಾನೇ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. ಇವನಿದ್ರು ಹೂಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ ಡೌಟ್. Okay. See, some word problems are there. It is easy one, I think. Word problems. So it is on just addition, subtraction like that. Easy questions. Open the Kahoot app, enter the game pin. Open the Kahoot app, enter the game pin. See, install ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ Kahoot app. Chitra, what is that symbol? Kruti already got medal. Before playing only, she got medal and cup. Okay, I will start now. Do it fast. Yeah, first question. Be ready, first one. Word problems, I think. Yeah. Straightforward question. 16 marbles and he lost 7 marbles. Ganvi JM. You are from Ganga Central School, huh? Do it fast. So I will skip now. 16 minus 7 is 9. Option B is right answer. Go with option B. Option B is right answer. There are 59 right answers. Who is fast? Bhuvan. Second Mithun. Third Kushal S. Gowda. Fourth Yashas. Kushal M. Fifth place. Next one. Megan has 19 seashells. How many more shells does she need to find to have 25 seashells in her collection? See, Megan hatra 19 ಇದೆ 25 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Megan is having 19 shells. How many more seashells does she need to find to have 25 seashells in her collection? Do it fast. 25 minus 19, how much? We need to do subtraction. That is option C, I think, no? 19 plus 6, 5, 25, yeah. Option C is the right answer. Option C. 54 right answers. Bhuvan, Kushal S. Gowda, third Roshni, fourth Yashas, fifth Arsha. Next one. Seventeen balloons, 8 balloons are